So what is it that you got done from him?
My breast. I got a breast augmentation, and that's it.
Whenever you got that done, what did that do for you?
A lot, actually. It just, honestly, I felt like I got reborn again. I'm not even gonna lie, because it's like in bodybuilding, you're trying to figure out who you are. It's really a hard sport mentally. It's more mental than, it's the only mental sport, really. So mentally, when you're looking at yourself in the mirror, you're always gonna look at the flaws. It doesn't matter how good your body looks to somebody else. It matters about what your body looks like to you. And if you don't think that your body's perfect because it's lacking one thing, then you're gonna look at your body like it's not worthy of, what it actually is worthy of. So me getting my boobs done made me see how it just made me confident and believe in myself, really. It made me feel whole again, and I didn't feel like, like it made me feel more like a woman because I had my boobs back, because boobs are nothing but fat.
Well, for you, if you could have worked out to gain them, you would have. You have no problem with the hard work, but this is obviously, that's something that you have to have help on, and especially, in bodybuilding, I always find like the more muscular the category, it's almost like the more feminine the women want to be.
Exactly, you do, because my category, figure, obviously you have to have a lot more muscle. It's basically, tailored to your V-taper and your lat spread, so they really care about your back. I have a huge back, so I need, something in front to make it look proportionate. Right. So when I didn't have them before, my body looked okay, but it still looked, unproportionate. It looked very unproportionate because you just had two triangles up top with pretty bling, but nothing to fill it and make your shoulders to your lats and everything else look symmetrical. When literally I feel like the boobs advanced my physique by miles ahead, because it just made me look so much more symmetrical. And then the way that I presented the symmetry with the augmentation is what gave the overall package. It's how it makes you feel after you get the breast, the surgery done. It's not about what you're thinking about. If you think about it, you just need to do it, because you're going to talk yourself out of it. But if you do it, I guarantee you're going to wish you did it years ahead instead of waiting. Like me, the only regret that I have is waiting forever to get it done.
Now, I think even on that note, what would you say, before you got it done, could you have ever imagined how much it would improve your life or your self-confidence?
Absolutely not. I never would have. I'm not a public speaker, so just for me to be talking to you right now is a big deal. And that's what this has done for me. I'm very introverted. I don't, this is not who I am. I'm somebody that's, a loner, but it's helped me enjoy life more, because now I'm approachable and I want to be around people and I want to have conversations, because I believe in myself and I don't feel, shy and timid and like I need to hide myself because I'm not confident in who I am. Now I know who I am.
We saw you on the Olympia stage. I was sitting there with Dr. Morales and got to yell for you. You are one of the top figure athletes in the entire world. And, Dr. Morales is so proud of you. Like, when he saw you on stage, we were sitting next to him, he's like, that's one of my girls, that's one of mine. He's so proud of you. And I know he's so excited and happy that you came to this event. What do you want to tell Dr. Morales?
That I absolutely love you, and I honestly would not have completed this package without you. I cannot say thank you enough. He literally convinced me to go down a size because he knew it would make me look more symmetrical. He truly cares about the patient. That's why I always recommend him to anybody. It's not about the dollar for him, it's about taking care of you and making sure you're comfortable and happy and confident at the end of the day. And if you're not, he will go back himself and make sure that you are. Fix it in any type of way just so that he can meet your need. He's really all about you. That's why I love him.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. Hey, Doc. We got your Olympian, Larhanna, here, and she said that she's going to go back again. We're going to make another Olympia appearance this year.
Pro this year. Yeah. We're going to win the Tampa Pro 8-4. Dr. Morales, we're getting these Olympians back on stage. Don't worry.
Best decision ever.
Exactly. Best decision ever.